Shut up! No way! General, I found a piece!
What?
It's in a jewelry shop located in New York City. I can't wait to tell him about this. I'll just have good old Deathclaw 24 here snatch it right now.
No. I want to see the look on his face when I hand you up myself.
Very well, General. Less work for me. I'm sending you the address now. Prepare the army for another city assault. What's the point in making reclining chairs if you can't sleep on it without falling off? I'll need Hamilton to modify this.